In today's video, we are going to be doing this super quick and easy summer makeup look featuring our brand new Happy Lash. So if you guys would like to see Happy Lash in action, definitely stay tuned. But before you get started, make sure you subscribe to our channel down below, and you can hit the bell to be notified anytime we post so you never miss any of our makeup tutorials, try-ons, or new products. Let's jump right into the tutorial. So to start off this look, you're going to want to start with whatever your base is, and for me, that's just a little bit of foundation and concealer around my eyes, but whatever that means for you, maybe you just jump right into the next step, or maybe you do full foundation and concealer. Whatever works best for you is what you should do here, and then we'll move on to the rest of the steps. So I'm actually not going to set my face with powder until I'm done with the rest of my face. So I'm going to go in and bronze it up right now. This is the Milani Dolce Baked Bronzer. You just want to apply that anywhere where the sun would naturally hit, which kind of is your whole face, but mostly like your forehead and kind of on top of your cheekbone and on your chin and down your neck. And don't forget your nose. Now quickly just going to go in with a blush. This is the Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in Exposed. Now I'm going to take the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder and lightly set mostly around my eyes and my T-zone to make sure nothing moves around during the day. This step is unnecessary. Maybe if you're super dry, you don't get oily, you don't need to do this. I would totally leave my makeup like this. It's not really a matter of putting on more powder. I just want to make sure it's set and stays all day. Now I'm just quickly going to fill in my brows. I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Pencil in Taupe. Now I want to keep the eyes super simple, so I'm going to be using the Laura Mercier Cocoa Caviar Stick Eye Color. I really want Happy Lash to shine today, so I am just going to be applying a little bit of this to my finger actually, and then I'm going to run that along my lash line just to kind of smudge it out. So just using your finger, it looks like you kind of tried on your eyeshadow, but you didn't, and it was way quicker. So I just decided I wanted to kind of add a little fun really quickly, and so I'm going to take a little bit of a gold eyeshadow and apply that in my inner corners. Any gold eyeshadow will work. There we go. And I'm also going to drag that onto my lid just a little bit. I feel like that just adds a little bit of a pop, makes this look a little special, but takes 1 second. There we go, a little pop of gold, which I love. And now it's time for my favorite part. We're gonna line our lashes and put our Happy Lashes on. I'm gonna be using the black liquid liner today. And typically when I'm in a hurry and I wanna do this quickly, I just kind of keep everything close to my lash line. I don't do a wing or anything, so I'm just gonna kind of do a very straightforward liner today. While my liner's drying, I'm going to apply a quick layer of mascara. This is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I almost forgot highlighter. I don't know how I did that. But while I'm waiting for the mascara to completely dry, I'm going to apply some highlighter. This is the Pixie Glowy Glossomer Duo in Delicate Dew. There we go. Much better. Now it's time to get happy. I know, cheesy, I know, but it really is time to get happy. So today, like I said, we are going to be using our brand new Happy Lash. And if you guys haven't seen the full unboxing and try on of the Happy Lash, you can find that link down below and check it out. But for today, I'm just gonna be popping these babies on and letting you just see how they shine, see how they glow. Let's do this. I mean, can we just take a second? Like, so now that we have our gorgeous Happy Lash, let's apply a lip, and then we're done with this quick look. I think we're gonna go with like a pinky summery lip, and this is the Bare Minerals Bare Pro lipstick in the shade Bloom. So that is it for the super quick and easy summer makeup look. Should take you like 15 minutes tops, and you look amazing and glowy and just ready for your summer day. Of course, the star of this look is Happy Lash, and I love her so much. The link to get to your own Happy Lash will be down below in the description box, and of course you can shop all of our other lashes down below as well. If you'd like to see the Happy Lash full try-on and unboxing video, you can watch that right here. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you never miss any of our videos. We'll see you in the next one.